morning. Today I'm going to show you how to make apple strudel from scratch, making the dough and the filling. I have to tell you a story. When I visited Vienna, we went to visit the palace where Antoinette stayed, we visited chapels, we visited the Grand Opera House. The most visited places we went to was the coffee shops. They had the best bakeries in Vienna. And one day my friend and I walked into a bakery, not knowing that years later we will have our own bakery. We purchased many pastries. We went to our hotel room. We sat on our bed and took bites from all different kind of strudels. We sampled nearly all of them. So for the dough, and I'll have the recipe up there, we need 2 cups of flour. We need half a cup of warm water, quarter cup of oil, 1 egg, room temperature, and some salt. That's it. That's all that goes into the dough. So I'm going to make the dough, and then I'm going to show you how to do the filling. At the meantime, you will take some raisins, about 3/4 of a cup of raisins, and you're going to put boiling water in it to soften it. And I'm going to put a little bit of almond extract, or you can put rum if you'd like, inside the raisins with the boiling water, and let it sit up. Please pay attention, this dough does not have any sugar and no yeast. So here's our dough. We'll let it sit for about an hour and refrigerate it for another hour. Got the 3 apples. I'm going to core and chop them up. Saute them in butter, a little bit of sugar and lemon juice. You can use any apple you'd like, even green apples. If you need to add more oil, please do so. This will help stretch the dough. You see, that's how thin you want it. You can see your fingers under the dough. First you help it, and then you can pull it a little bit. The middle is always where it's thicker. Move this out. Now if you have cookie crumbs, you can add it over here. I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon here. For joining me.